Welcome back to the channel. It is Cute Power Niche, and we are headed inside of Publix. We have a really good week ahead of us with some paper deals, some crest deals, and so much more. So let's go inside and see exactly what they have for us. I am going to show you all the Georgia Pacific deal. I'm going to show you all the transactions, so you all will be able to see that. But let's go inside, do our thing, and let's head on out because your girl got to go to the gym. But make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. That way you never miss a deal. So we are back at the fancy Publix where they have all of my BOGO stuff in the very front. So let's go ahead and dive right on in to what is BOGO, what sales we have, and what you need to keep your eye out for. So first, you guys, we have our raw sugar shampoo and conditioner. They are going to be buy one, get one free. We have our Glade Flex. I always say Glade, it's Glad. We have our Glad Flex and Seal. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Those internal spring waters are BOGO. And then we have some of our Hanes shirts. I had no idea Publix even sold shirts. So if you need you some Hanes, go ahead and get them. They're buy one, get one free. We have some of the Stonefire bread. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Some Campbell's soup is 2 for $5. Let's see what else they have for us. Some of these cookies are going to be buy one, get one free. This Sweet Baby Ray's is buy one, get one free. The Gold Peak tea. This is actually a really good tea. I actually like this tea. And this is going to be BOGO. And then, like I told y'all yesterday, the school supply stuff is BOGO. So if you need some school supply stuff and you happen to be at a Publix, go ahead and stock one up. We do have our Lysol disinfecting spray that is BOGO. Our wipes are still full price. You could probably find those elsewhere a little cheaper. But we have some really good stuff this week. What's this? The Viva paper towels. You know, anytime you see things like this, where it's a lot of them, they're typically on sale, but clearly they're not. $19.99. But I am going to show you guys a paper deal that you can do. More school supply stuff is BOGO. So let's go ahead and get into like the breakdowns of the video, okay? These, I did a breakdown on that yesterday. They are going to be BOGO, so make sure you keep your eye out. And we have an Ibotta offer, so you don't want to miss that. Purified water, these mini bottles are going to be buy one, get one. And then we also have some of the Nature Valley bars. They are going to be buy one, get one. Now, if you don't have a digital coupon in your app, you are able to use these pillies. These are manufacturer coupons, and you can use them on your purchase. And it's on 2. So you would pick up 2 for the $5.19 or $6.19. Clip that coupon, scan it at the register, and you're only paying $4.19. Ooh, I was losing my voice there for a second, but you guys, it will be $4.19 when you pick up 2 and use this coupon. So some other deals you could do are going to be like on these Ritz crackers. Part of those 10 packs are going to be your Tates. I had no idea they had these, y'all. Oh my God, we may be in trouble. Did y'all know they had these? Let me know in the comments if you knew that they had these. It does say new on here, but I had no idea they carried these in the 10 packs. Ooh, we're gonna be in trouble, y'all. All right, now if you need some Kleenex, they are going to be buy one, get one free. Sunny D is going to be buy one, get one free. This Kleenex will be really good, especially because it is on your school supply list for your kids. So you may need to pick that up. You could grab one of them and it would be half the price. We have our fruit roll-ups, our gushers. They are also buy one, get one free. And they also have these little pillies that you can use at the front. So if you pick up 2 at $3.29 and you use that dollar coupon, you're only paying $2.29. Now, I know we do have a digital coupon for our fruit roll-ups and gusher items, so make sure you check your app for that as well. With back to school approaching, you may need some of the deli meat. We have our Oscar Mayer deli fresh meat. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Original price is $4.93. Now, in order to do this deal, you guys, we have a 5 off $30 coupon. So you have to meet that $30 threshold before our BOGO price. So you are going to pick up a total of 7 of them. My store has them for $4.93. So 7 of them for me will be $34.51. That is the pre-sale price. I would divide that in half, which will bring me down to $17.25. And then I will use my 5 off a $30 coupon. It will leave my total to just $12.25 out of pocket. I am going to go to Ibotta, submit my receipt to get 75 cents back. It is a limit up to 5 times, but it will make make my final cost for all 7 just $8.50. If you need some of the Lunchables, you guys, they are buy one, get one free. Pick up 5 of them, and then you're going to go to Ibotta to make sure you see to get 20 cents back. It is a limit up to 5 times, but it will make your final cost just like $5 and I believe like 37 cents. So not a bad deal on your Lunchables either. So if you need this type of stuff, especially with the kids going back to school soon, go ahead and stock on up. This right here is probably one of my favorite deals. It is going to be on the classic dozen roses. They are buy one, get one free. Now, I always make sure to stock up or send this over to my boyfriend so he can stock up. But go ahead and get you some flowers because you can get 2 dozens for the price of 1, which is absolutely insane. They're only $14.99. And what better way to spoil yourself than to buy you flowers? So this is a really good deal that I love. I always stock up anytime they have them buy one, get one free. Let's move on over to our produce section and see exactly what they have for us this week. I absolutely love this Publix, y'all. Like, this is my favorite. It's a little out the way sometimes, but it's worth the trip every time. All right, so some of our grapes are $3.99 a pound, which is not bad because the original price was $7.99 a pound. And then we also have some of our Sugar Kiss melons. They are going to be $3.99. Some of our Honey Crisp apples are $2.99 a pound. The Peter Rabbit snacks, which are these, you guys, they are going to be 5 for 10. So if your kiddos like these, or are they for adults? I don't know. Let me know. Have y'all had them? Are they for kids or are they for adults? But they are going to be 5 for $10. Let's go ahead and go over here. You always got it just so nice in here, just organized. Don't be looking a mess. Love that from my store. Strawberries, I told you guys about that yesterday. They are 3 for 10 for the regular ones. For the organic, I believe they are buy one, get one free. They're down here. Oh, they're not. Oh gosh, okay. They are not buy one, get one free, but the blueberries are buy one, get one free. So you have some options there. Let's see what else they got for us. Those mushrooms, you guys, are buy one, get one free, the green wise. And then we also have some of our guacamole that is going to be 2 for $9, 2 for $6. Some of the ones that are in the packs are $3.99. Our Willie's fresh salsa is 2 for $6. And then our fresh express salads are going to be 2 for $6. So you're saving $3.98 on 2, which is not a bad deal. Our altitude salads are 3 for $10. And then some of our naked drinks are going to be $8.99. So you're saving about $1 there. And then some of our shakes are going to be 2 for $8. Y'all, I told y'all about that, what was it? This drink right here. And when I tell you I went to another Publix and they were sold out, I was like, oh my gosh. Did I put the people on? All right, let's head on over to our meat section. We almost had a little collision there, y'all, with the carts. All right, let's see what meats they got on sale this week. We have some of our pork. Our pork chops are buy one, get one free. Some of the Publix chicken wings are $3.99 a pound. We haven't had like a really good deal on our chicken lately where they're like buy one, get one free. I feel like before 4th of July, it was always buy one, get one free. Now they kind of slowed on down. We have some of our Tyson chicken nuggets. They are buy one, get one free. Cooked meatballs are going to be buy one, get one free. These quick steaks are going to be buy one, get one free. The Publix shrimp is going to be $19.99. Let's see what our steaks are hitting on. I love me a good steak, y'all. All right, $15.99 a pound. Not bad, not bad. Prices ain't looking bad. Okay, not bad at all, actually. So we got some pretty good meats here. Ooh. Now these, you guys, are on sale for $9.99. These are actually really good, and they're 100% grass-fed. So you can always, count on these to be good. And They're not high in price. Yesterday, I told you guys about the Myers hand soap. They are going to be $7 off with every $20 purchase. So this also includes your Method hand soap as well as your Method body wash. So if you want to include some of those in your transaction to get to that $20, you can. But once you hit $20, you're getting $7 off, and that is a Publix store promotion, not a digital coupon. Yesterday, I told you guys about the Crest mouthwash and Crest toothpaste deal. A little update. The Scope Crest mouthwash are 2 for $10. It's still attaching to that spend $15, get a $5 Publix gift card. Now, the ones that are Pro Health are going to be 2 for $12. So I'm going to do an updated scenario showing you all how you could get this mouthwash with toothpaste for super cheap. So we're going to start off by picking up one of the Crest Scope mouthwash. 2 for $10. If we grab one of them, it's just going to be $5. I am also going to pick up 2 of the Crest Clean Breath toothpaste. They are 2 for $10, and I also have that 5 off of 3 coupon that is attaching to all 3 products. So right now my total is $15. That $5 will come off automatically at the register for spending $15, and then I have that 5 off of 3 coupon. I should be left to pay just $5 out of pocket. Go over to Ibotta, submit my receipt to get that $2 back. It will make my final cost for all 3 products just $3, about $1 a piece. If you like Lay's Kettle Chips, we do have them priced at $4.29, but we have a $1.79 coupon. It will make your final price for one just $2.50. So that could be an option as well. I haven't tried these, but I might. They got some pretty good flavors over here. Let's move on down to our hair care and baby aisle. Now, I told y'all about this baby care deal that we have, okay? And let's see if it's actually on sale. They are. So Pampers Swaddlers only, okay? So not the baby dry or the cruisers. It's only on the Pampers Swaddlers. So I picked up one of those for $24.99. And then I also came over here and I got one of these wipes that are priced at $7.69. And then I also combined it with these wipes. Okay, my total was over $35. I believe it was like $35.97. I used that $10 off coupon on a $35 purchase. It's going to make your final cost like $25.97, which is amazing. So if you all need baby care items, go ahead and pick that up. That way you're able to save on your diapers. Another good diaper deal or like wipe deal is going to be on the water wipes. They are buy one, get one free. So you can pick up 2 of them for just $5.19. I love the baby section. I don't have no kids, but it's like I always just see good deals on baby items. Aquaphor baby healing ointment is going to be 25% off. The baby diaper rash is 25% off. It looks like all of our Aquaphor baby items are 25% off. We have our Johnson baby products. They are $1 off. Some of our Aveeno baby items are going to be $1 off as well. So make sure that you are looking at your stores, see if you have coupons, if you have any Ibotta offers. That way you're not paying full price for your baby items. Our Gatorade Thirst Quencher is going to be buy 2, get 2 free. So you guys, on all of the ones that you see right here, I'm not seeing where this $2 coupon is attaching. It's only on the Fierce Green Apple. I'm seeing that $2 is attaching. So what I would personally do, since they're buy 2, get 2 for free, I would pick up a total of 4 of the green apple. That would pay just $5 for all 4 because they're buy 2, get 2 for free. And then what I would do is I would clip this $2 off coupon. It will make my total out of pocket just $3, which is about 75 cents each. So a really good deal that you could do on the Fierce Green Apple flavor only. Some of my favorite dipping sauce is actually going to be buy one, get one free, and I'm so excited. Have y'all had the Jihu's barbecue sauce? They have so many different flavors. They're 0 sugar, and they're really, really flavorful. So if you have not tried these, try them, but they are buy one, get one free. I'm so excited, you guys. This is really good. Let me know in the comments if you had them. I've only had like the barbecue sauce, the original barbecue sauce one. I haven't had the sweet chili and I haven't had the honey, but I've had like the original and the hickory. So I've had these 2, but let me know in the comments if you all have had them. They are so good and I'm definitely about to stock up. Some other buy one, get one free deals on sauces we have is going to be on our hot sauce. So if you all need this type of hot sauce, you can get that. But I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited about that being buy one, get one. And I can only find it at Publix. If y'all have found it at other stores, let me know. But I can only find mine at Publix. So yesterday I did tell you guys about the Georgia Pacific product deal that when you spend $35, you're going to get $10 off, and the deal is finally live. So we are going to do a transaction with each other. That way you can see how it works. But you guys, remember that $10 off is just coming off at the register. It's not a digital coupon. So don't go in the app looking for it because you will not find it. But I'm going to start off with the brownie paper towels. They are the 6 double 12 regular rolls. Remember I told you everything is not $9.99. Certain items are. So like these up here are still going to be your original price. So pick up the ones that are $9.99 and clip this $2 off coupon. I am also going to pick up the 10 double 20 regular rolls of the sparkle paper towels. They are $9.99. I know a lot of people were saying that they have like a $2 or $2.50 coupon. I already used mine, so I have a 50-cent coupon. But hey, a deal is a deal, y'all. I am going to pick up the Vanity Fair napkins. They are going to be priced at $6.99, but I do have a dollar coupon. For my last item, I'm actually going to pick up the Angel Soft Tissue. They are priced at $9.99, and I have a 50-cent coupon. I am going to do the transaction for you guys at the register so you can see the full amount, but some other items that you can get are going to be like these quilted Northern tissue. They are the 9 mega 36 regular rolls. They are included in that. We have some of our Dixie plates and our cups. They are going to be included in that as well. So if you all want to get that type of stuff, you can. Our Vanity Fair napkins, and then we also have some of our Angel Soft tissue that you can also do. So just some other options that you can include in your 10 off of $35 purchase. But we have some really good items that are $9.99, so make sure you look out for those tags as well. We have quite a few laundry items that you could do this week as well. We have some of our OxyClean that is on sale for $7.99. A lot of our Gain fabric softener and Downy rinse is going to be priced at $9.99. Our larger bottles are $12.99. And then some of our dryer sheets are $9.99. Also, if you all want to do the smaller all detergents, they are buy one, get one free. The smaller Snuggles are also going to be buy one, get one free. We also have our Gain laundry detergent. They are going to be $9.99. This also includes our pods. And then our all detergent, if you all did not check out my preview video yesterday, I can go over that deal again. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Pick up one for $7.99. And then we have a $2 offer on Ibotta, making one $5.99. For our packs, our Ibotta offer, I believe, is $2.50. So you're saving a little bit more there. And then for our Tide Evo detergents, they are $9.99. And we have a $2 off coupon that does expire soon, but it will make one of these just $7.99. I saw y'all comments about the mini Coca-Cola product deal, so I'm going to show you guys how you could do this deal. That way you're not paying full price. So this week they are buy two, get two for free, which is already exciting. So we're saving $17.98. And then we have that 5 off a $25 coupon. So the way that it works is pick up 4 of them. You're going to be looking at the $8.99 price, or the system is looking at the $8.99 price. So the total comes to like $35.96. But then you're saving $17.98 when you pick up 2 of them. You're getting 2 for free. So $17.98 is what your total will look like. But then you have that 5 off a $25 coupon. Remember, it is looking at the pre-sale price. So the $35 is what it's looking at. So you've already met that. So that $5 will come off, making your final cost for all 4 just $12.98. So this is a really good deal to stock up on your mini Coca-Cola products. A few ice cream deals you can do is going to be on our Talenti Gelato ice cream. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Original price is $6.49. You're going to pick up 2 of them and pay $6.49 out of pocket. Go over to Ibotta, submit your receipt. You're going to get $1 back. You must purchase 2. Your final cost for 2 will be $5.49. Drop in the comments what is your favorite flavor of this Talenti ice cream. Another deal you could do is going to be on our Halo Topic ice cream. They're going to be buy one, get one free. So they are $6.19 originally. You're going to pick up 2 of them, and you're going to clip this 2 off a 2 coupon. It's going to make your final cost for 2 just $4.19. Our Nellie's eggs are going to be buy one, get one free. You could pick up 1 of them for $2.99. And then you're going to go to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get 50 cents back. It will make your final cost just $2.49 for 1. All right, you guys, so I scanned all of my items for the Georgia Pacific deal, and this is what I'm looking at right now. It says $28.58. I haven't put in my phone number yet, but it did take my $10 off, as you see. So let's put on our phone number and see what our final amount is. So my cost did come to $22.96. All of my coupons came off. I showed you guys the breakdown yesterday, and that's the amount that I came up with. So if you all did not do this deal, you can. You see that it works. Let me know in the comments if you all were able to score on the deal. I know a lot of you all were saying you were going first thing in the morning, but you guys are only paying $22.96, and we're about to head out.